A developer must provide access to specific foundation models hosted in certain AWS regions for a company with strict compliance needs. The organization uses AWS Control Tower with service control policies that limit service usage exclusively to EU North 1 and EU West 1. Data privacy rules mandate that all requests stay within private networks and aligned with the regions where the models reside. The developer has identified the necessary models in EU Central 1 and EU West 3. Which strategy satisfies these connectivity and compliance requirements?
A professional IT instructor explaining a certification exam question to students. The instructor reads the question and explains the correct answer. Option A. Configure a private REST API via Amazon API Gateway backed by a Lambda function in EU North-1. Establish VPC endpoints in EU Central 1 and EU West 3. Update service control policies to permit access, and connect the API to the application. Option B. Host the foundation model on EC2 nodes within EU North-1. Place a private API Gateway REST API in front of the EC2 instances, establish Bedrock VPC endpoints, and connect the API to the application.
Option C. Utilize Amazon Bedrock inference profiles with European regional endpoints to maintain data residency. Update service control policies to allow usage of inference profiles in necessary European regions and integrate Bedrock via the inference profile. Option D. Host the foundation model using Amazon SageMaker AI within EU North-1. Create SageMaker VPC endpoints, adjust service control policies to authorize endpoint access, and integrate the SageMaker hosted model with the application.
In my view, the correct answer is option C. Amazon Bedrock inference profiles are designed to route model inference requests across different AWS regions within a specific geographic area, such as Europe. This functionality is key to ensuring high availability while simultaneously meeting strict compliance and data residency mandates. Since the organization's existing service control policies restrict usage to specific regions, the developer must update these policies to include the required regions where the models are available. Regarding the other choices, option A describes an overly complex and inefficient workaround involving API gateways and Lambda functions, which is unnecessary given the native features available in Bedrock. Option B is incorrect because hosting foundation models on EC2 instances does not leverage the managed capabilities of Amazon Bedrock. Finally, option D is not the right fit, as it suggests using SageMaker AI rather than the Amazon Bedrock platform specified in the requirements. An important tip for your exam: always look for native service features that simplify architecture before considering custom-built solutions like API Gateway or Lambda proxies. When working with Bedrock, focus on its ability to handle regional routing and inference profiles, as these are frequently tested concepts for data residency and compliance scenarios.